Most inspection devices in Taiwan are from foreign countries. Thus, they are expensive and without customized functions. In addition, due to the gear's complicated appearances, the inspection results are susceptible and with low detection rate in traditional AOI, which result in highly assembly difficulty. The metal forming equipment and mold feedback optimizing technique is applicable to visual inspection for workpieces with complicated shapes, and overcomes the problem of uneven light sources in traditional AOI with high-speed intelligent inspection algorithm. It also provides cross-plant, multi-machine information visualization tools with easy operation, automatic alarms, and customized settings functions to help out multi-plant construction problems and management difficulties.